Stranded on the middle of an island in the Bohol Sea. This is my experience at Gak Ang Island, and I very much hope that you enjoy. Guys, you'll have to forgive me. It's just gone 1 PM and I've only just got out of bed. My body is in tatters. Here we are, back again, the trusty favourite. Gotta be honest, there's nothing really in here I fancy this morning, or well, this afternoon. It is hot and it is bright, and trust me, I am not complaining. Tell you what, as much as I enjoy eating locally and giving back to the locals here in the Philippines, there's nothing quite like home on a day you're not feeling the best. My body is aching me from head to toe. I just need some food in me, I think. It's just like being back home. Like I said, usually I'd rather eat locally and obviously help out the local businesses, but on a day where I'm not feeling it, I've got to say it's nice to eat something familiar. With the McDonald's being just a 2-minute walk from Alona Beach, where we were yesterday morning flying the drone, I have to go and check it out in the daylight, don't I? Have to. Anyhow, I've got about 20 minutes until my excursion, so I'll see you when we're on the bus. On the Tuktuk that is taking us to the port, which will take us to Gak Ang Island. I think I'm saying that right, not too sure. Hopefully the sun comes out as well. Here at the seaport in Panglao we have made it. We're now going to catch the boat across to Gak Ang Island. Very excited for this. We're going to see some of the most pristine blue waters in the whole of the Philippines. Hopefully a little bit cleaner than that. That is so nice. Better put this mask back on. Wowee, that is absolutely incredible. This water is so warm and so clean, but so salty. Starting to erode at my lips, if I'm honest. I think I can see where McDonald's gets it from. insane how clean this water is. Check that out.
What is it?
We have here banana, sweet potato, sticky rice. Cassava is a root crops. It's not a vegetable. It's not also a fruit, but it grows under of the soil. You want more?
The water is so warm. Just cutting across to this private island, Gak Ang Island. Thank you. See you later. We've been told to watch out for sea snakes and sea urchins, so sea urchins and snakes, yeah? Christ. Got a Diet Coke though. I'm not sure I have the superlatives to describe just how amazing this experience is right now. I'm literally in the middle of the sea. We've got Gak Ang Island back there. We've got the boat all the way in the distance over there. But this ocean water is so ridiculously warm. It's like a bathtub. Honestly, as soon as I get to the island, I'm putting the drone in the air. This is just unbelievable. And the sun is setting as well. The only trouble with this kind of place is this camera just doesn't give any justice on just how amazing this is. That is the thumbnail. Oh my goodness me! Look, there's a starfish. Look at him. Oh, what an experience. What an absolute privilege. And the sun is setting as well to make it even better. Touchdown on Gak Ang Island. We have made it. Right, I'm not wasting any time at all. The sun is going down, meaning the light is going down. Let's stick the drone in the air and see what we can find from this unbelievable island in the South China Sea. The drone 115 metres in the sky and 1,005 metres away. As you can see, we've got a lovely view on here, but better still, look at that for a sunset. That is absolutely incredible. This place is absolutely magical. I've never ever been on an island where it's me and two other people, and we are here for the next half an hour before we have to go back. But what a view that is, what a sunset that is. As you can see, we're on this island right here, literally in the middle of nowhere, to show you just how stranded we are in the middle of the Bohol Sea. That's us there on that island. You can start to hear the drone now as it comes back. What a way to end this incredible visit. Getting to that time, we need to cross back along the channel over to the boat, as you can see, all the way in that direction before it gets too dark. Otherwise we're not going to be able to see these sea snakes in the sea, and if I get bitten by a sea snake, it's game over. You are not going to end up watching this video.